Welcome to ZT classes.
Let's check the question. From the top of tower h meter high. So let's draw the ground and a tower which is h meter high. Angle of depression of two objects. So we are talking angle of depression. So the observer is standing at point A. Let's draw the line of sight for the observer. From here he is observing two objects which are in line with the foot of the tower. So those objects are on the ground and their angle of depression is alpha and beta degrees, where beta is more than alpha. So if beta is more than alpha, that means the observer with beta depression is standing closer to the tower. So let's draw this first. The observer who is closer is Q and its angle of depression is beta degrees. Now if you will see, these two lines are parallel to each other, and thus by alternate interior angles, angle EQB, that will also be beta degrees. Let's take the second observer. For him the angle of depression is alpha. So the second observer is P with angle of depression is alpha. By same logic, alternate interior angles. So this angle and these angles will be equal. Our angle APQ is also alpha degree. You have to prove that the distance between the two objects, that means the distance between PQ is H cot alpha minus cos beta. Let's see the solution. So here it's given that AB is your tower and P and Q are the two objects whose angle of depression is taken. And for the first object Q, so MAQ is same as AQB is beta degrees. And for second object, angle MAP is same as angle APB is alpha degrees. And we have to prove that the distance between the object is, PQ. So we have to prove that PQ is H times of cot alpha minus cos beta. Let's see the proof. So again वापस घूमकर हम वहीं पर आ गए, है ना. कहानी हमारी वही है कि दो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल हैं बेटा हमारे पास, एंड इन टू राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स हमें पी क्यू निकालना है. तो बेसिकली ये एच गिवन है हमें. तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप क्यू बी निकालें, है ना, इस वाले ट्राइंगल में, फिर आप पी बी निकालें इन द अदर ट्राइंगल. दोनों को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो यू विल गेट वैल्यू ऑफ पी क्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ एच, alpha and beta. So let's take our first triangle, that is triangle ABQ. So we'll take the ratio of tan beta is AB perpendicular upon QB. AB is H, so let's replace it and let's get the value of QB. QB is coming as H upon tan beta, है ना. अब कौन सी वैल्यू निकालेंगे, अब PB की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. तो उसके लिए हम ट्राइंगल लेंगे, ट्राइंगल ABP, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. कौन सी रेशो, tan alpha. tan alpha is AB upon PB. AB is nothing but H, so tan alpha is H upon PB, and let's cross multiply to get value of PB as H upon tan alpha. लेकिन निकालना क्या हमें तो PQ निकालना है. सो PQ is same as PB minus QB, and let's replace those values. So we are getting H upon tan alpha minus H upon tan beta. सॉल्व करेंगे तो you will get value of PQ as H times cot alpha minus cot beta, and thus the distance is H times cot alpha minus cos beta. And this is what we have to prove, and here comes our favorite part, that is hence proof.